Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you all the camera tips for your 50 megapixel OIS camera in your Samsung Galaxy A17. So at first you need to open the camera application. Now if you are in the photo, you have to here select the 50 megapixel camera, and now as you can see our OIS is now enabled. So now you can just take a photo. Here you can enable the time that you want to wait, but we can disable that. So apart from that, we can use the night mode, but the night mode is being enabled automatically when we are using our phone. But apart from that, we can go to more and open night. It will work even better. And apart from that, we can go back to the video and enable the OIS in the OIS actually in the video. So open this video, tap here this three squares and tap gear icon. Here now we have to find video stabilization, enable that. And actually that's it for this video. Goodbye.